Paraganglioma, as the name implies, is a tumor of paraganglia. Well, paraganglia are cells that are located in various parts of the body. These cells are located in the middle ear, up against the inner ear, and also located in an area called the jugular bulb. And if I were to look back at the back part of this model, I would see that the sigmoid sinus, this is a major vein that drains blood from the brain and empties into a large channel called the jugular bulb. This also has the same sort of cells that we're talking about in the middle ear, the cells called paraganglia. Well, the purpose of these cells is really to detect oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the bloodstream and get that information back to the brain. Well, for unknown reasons, mutations can occur within these paraganglia cells and causing tumor formation. Most and almost all paraganglia are usually benign. There is a malignant variety of paraganglioma, and it's just referred to as malignant paraganglioma that can metastasize, that can spread from the ear to lymph nodes regionally and throughout the body. So it's important to make the diagnosis. Typically, the diagnosis is made by an astute physician who encounters a patient who has pulsating tinnitus and hearing loss, and a conductive hearing loss. And when they look inside the ear canal under a microscope, they can visualize the tympanic membrane, and they can actually see the paraganglioma behind the eardrum. This is what we call a glomus tympanicum. These paragangliomas also have another name, and that is glomus tumors. So these glomus tumors that arise in the middle ear are called glomus tympanicum tumors. Those that arise in the jugular bulb are called glomus jugulare tumors. These are just a difference in names, if you will, but really the same kind of tumor. A glomus tympanicum tumor, very easily treated with removal and excision. A glomus jugulare tumor is much more problematic, and treatment is really tailored according to the symptoms that the patients have.